Hi everyone. Today I'll takes you to cut one by one more peculiar gemstones. I'm stepping on the beans today this issue, so to this up is black, but like to see this it is purple, is a sharp gold stone. It is free from Tanzania Magai mine to light. See inside is very clean, so not much to say. After reading you will give me a thumbs up. First of all, this part is for him to carry out charge shooting. It's a radiance chego, so you have to grind his ingredients into a square shape. It looks like it's been filled with farts. What you see now is the filling and then turned it over. This is the pavilion step. The next step is grinding. Polishing disc. Polishing the table of the gemstone. There is diamond powder on the plaque, which can throw the stone very brightly, as now has achieved the face effect. The next step is to warm the fire steam with a torch, and then connect the stone to the fire steam. After sticking it, use the top leveler to top it even after cooling it to install the tool. This is called the octopus hand. After fixing it, start to trim the shape again. Lady, he has 4 longer sides and 4 smaller sides. Now that after grinding it, start waiting for the first layer of the jar part. What about sanding the first layer of the can cloth? You can see that the shape looks like this, and the first layer has been done. It is done according to the shape of his waist, and the second layer is now being polished. The second is this, on the basis of the first layer in parallel to add another layer to it. Now start doing the third layer. The third layer is to add a triangular face at each end of the 4 longer sides to connect to this, called a new face. Then the overall part is composed of these faces to polish it, which is also the same as molding now, so that the 2 parallel layers are polished for him. I have now polished these 2 layers in parallel. You can see that the wiring of each is given to the point, and then now the triangle small face is also given bright, and then by the way again the waist. This gem of the king cloth is completed. How is it? Very simple. So to look at the polished light of the king cloth is very good. Its rigidity is also very strong, so it looks like its surface will be very sharp. What about after completing the first half? It has to be taken from the top to him to use. Then the steam grill re-give him connected to the just sanded side to him. Stick on can start sanding the lower half. It is stop step with the part is different. The court cloth to make it into a point, so slowly to close the shoulders. Now is according to the shape of the waist. Rubbed a layer. Next then added another layer. Is the parallel surface can see now has been polished 2 layers. There is still a little area on it. The third layer begins. It is necessary to beat the left and right cross customer surface is to add a customer surface on each of the 4 larger customer surfaces on the left and right sides, so that they intersect to a piece. You can see that now this mining table is no longer there. The fire from the left and right crossed customer face will be relatively fine, but only 1 layer is not enough. Let me add 2 more layers to him. This gem is not big, a moment la more, so be very careful when polishing. Well, now these 2 layers have been added, a total of 3 layers or so cross small narrow surface. Next is to polish it. First 2 sets of parallel indeed surface to him polishing. While to pick up to see behind the video, is to use 10 magnification to check its exposure, see if it is a mirror effect. Well, now these 2 sets of parallel drama has been polished. Next only the above 3 layers are left. This cross is indeed the face. What about the polishing of these 3 groups of mouth faces? Will have to be a little smaller than the 2 sets of parallel can be seen after the polishing, is this effect is all given to the face. Well, we have seen, so we will soon see his final face. Before and after removing the addition, it is really not the same at all. Clean the face with alcohol. Let's take a look first and then compare the light. This effect encounters a brighter light source. You can see that it is very scattered. Isn't the fire very fine? This thunder madman is really very beautiful. This kind of gray-purple sharp gold stone is different from that kind of brighter gemstone. It will bring a mysterious feeling to people. Many people who like dark style will choose this. People look at the effect under natural light. It is in natural light. The fire is also very fine, and this crystal is very clean with black gold to believe it is made into a ring. Wearing it on the hand is really very so how do you think this gem is cut? Right. This issue of the video this is shared here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye everyone.